5월 8일 7시 50분.
Transportation. Reading focus. What is transportation?
What is
Why do
transportation?
people use transportation?
Why do
What
people
kinds of
use
transportation are there?
transportation? What kinds of transportation are there?
Before you read, keywords. Land transportation.
Land transportation, bicycle, bike, car, bus, train, subway, truck.
Air transportation.
Air transportation, airplane, helicopter, jet.
Water
Water
transportation.
transportation,
Ship.
ship, ferry, cargo, ship,
Cargo ship.
cargo ship.
Power verbs. Ride.
Ride.
She rides her bike.
Take.
They
They
take
take
the
the
school
school bus.
Carry.
Carry.
Trains carry
Many things at one time.
Transport.
Ferries transport people.
Word families.
A bus driver
drives a bus.
drives a bus.
A
A delivery truck
delivers things.
delivers things. An airplane
Flies
flies in the air.
Moves
A ship
on the water.
moves on the water.
Transportation. Jenny is a student.
Jenny is a student. She
rides
rides her bike to school.
Sometimes
she takes the school bus too.
The bike and the
The
school bus
bike
are her
And
transportation.
the school bus are her transportation.
Transportation
Transportation
moves
moves people or
What
things
kinds of
from one
transportation
place
do
to
you use?
another.
Some people
What
drive
kinds
their
of
cars
transport
to work.
do you
Some
use?
people take
Some
the
people
subway to
drive
work.
their
Some
cars
people
work
take
to
buses
work.
to work.
Some people
Some
take the
kinds of
subway to work.
transportation
Some
move a
people
lot of things
take
at
buses
one
to
time.
work. Some
A
kinds of
delivery
transport
truck
move a
delivers
lot
things to people.
of
A
things
tanker
at one
truck
time.
carries oil and gas. A train
A delivery
can
truck
also
delivers
carry a
things
lot
to
of
people. A
things
tanker
at one
truck
time.
carries oil and gas. A train can
Airplanes
also
and
carry a lot of
helicopters
things
move
at
in
one
the
time.
air.
Airplanes and
Airplanes
helicopters
can fly
move in
around
the
the
air.
world to transport
Airplanes
people
can
and
fly
goods.
around the world
People
to
also
transport
travel
people and
on the
goods.
water.
People also travel on the
Many
water.
ships
Many
and
ships and
ferries
ferries transport people and goods.
Transportation. Jenny is a student.
Jenny is a student.
She rides her bike to school.
She rides her bike to school.
Sometimes she takes
Sometimes
the school bus too.
Sometimes she takes the school bus too.
The bike and the school bus
The bike
are
and the
her
school bus
transportation.
are her transportation.
Transportation moves people or things
Transportation
from one
moves
place
people
to
or
another.
things from one place to
What
another.
kinds of
Transport
transportation
moves
do you
people or
use?
things from one place. Transportation
Some people drive
moves
their
people
cars to
or
work.
things from one place.
Some people take the subway to work.
Transportation moves
Some
people
people
or
take
things from
buses
one
to work.
place to another. What kinds of transport do
Some
you
kinds of
use?
transportation
What kinds
move
of
a lot of
transportation
things
do
at
you
one
use?
time.
Some people drive their cars to work. Some
A delivery
people
truck
take the subway
delivers
to
things
work.
to people.
Some people
A
take
tanker
buses
truck
to work.
carries oil
Some
and gas.
Some kinds of transportation move a lot
A
of
train
things at
can
one time.
also carry a lot
A
of
delivery
things
truck
at one
delivers
time.
things to people. A tanker truck carries oil and gas. A
Airplanes
train
and
can also
helicopters
carry a
move
lot
in
of
the
things
air.
at one time. Airplanes and helicopters move in the air. Airplanes fly around the world to transport people and goods. People also travel on the water. Many ships and ferries transport people and goods.
Chapter 2 Science. Unit 5 A World of Plants.
Reading focus.
What are some kinds of plants?
What are some kinds of
What are
plants?
some parts?
What are some parts of a plant?
What plant parts
What plant
do we
parts do we eat?
Before you read, keywords.
Kinds of plants.
Kinds of plants.
Grass.
Grass,
Trees.
trees, flowers,
Vegetables.
vegetables.
The parts of a
The
plant.
parts of a plant.
Flower.
Flower,
Fruit.
fruit,
Leaf.
leaf,
Stem.
stem,
Roots.
roots.
Power verbs.
Grow.
I grow plants.
Grow, I grow plants. Live, plants live in many places.
The fruits hold seeds.
The fruits hold seeds.
Word families.
Roots.
Roots.
Some
Some
roots
roots
are
are thick.
Some roots
Some
are
roots
thin.
are thin.
Stems.
Stems.
Some stems
Some
are
stems
thick.
are thick.
Some
Some stems are thin.
Leaves.
Some leaves are
Leaves.
big.
Some leaves are big.
Leaves are
Some
little.
leaves are little.
Some plants have
Some
fruits.
leaves are
Some
little.
plants do
Fruit.
not have
Some plants
fruits.
have fruit. Some plants do not have
Some
fruit.
seeds are
Some
big.
seeds.
Some
Some seeds
seeds
are
are
big.
small.
Some seeds are small.
A world of plants. I am Scott, and this is my garden.
I am Scott,
I
and
grow
this
many
is my
plants
garden.
here.
I
There
grow
are
many plants
different
here.
kinds of
There
plants.
are many different kinds of
Plants
plants.
can be big or small.
Plants can be big or
Grass,
small.
vegetables, and trees
Grass,
are all
vegetables,
plants.
and trees
Plants have
are
different
all plants.
parts. Most plants have roots,
Plants have
stems,
different
and
parts.
leaves.
Most plants have
Many
roots,
plants
stems,
have
and
flowers,
leaves.
too.
Many plants have flowers
The
too.
flowers make fruits.
The flowers
seeds.
make fruit. The
We can
fruit
eat
hold
many
seeds.
plant parts.
The fruit hold seeds.
We
We can
roots,
eat many plant
radishes,
parts.
onions, and
We
carrots
eat roots,
are the
radishes,
roots of
onions, and
plants.
carrots are the
We eat
roots of
stems.
plants.
Celery is the stem
We eat
of a
stems.
plant,
Celery is the stem
eat
of a
leaves.
plant.
such as lettuce
We eat
and
leaves
cabbage.
such as
We
lettuce
eat
and
flowers,
cabbage.
such as
We
broccoli
eat flowers
and
such as
cauliflower.
broccoli and
We
cauliflower.
eat the fruits of many plants too.
We eat the fruits
Apples,
of many
pears,
plants
and
too.
strawberries are
Apples,
fruits we eat.
pears, and strawberries are fruits we
Sometimes
eat.
we eat the
Sometimes
seeds of
we eat the
plants
seeds
too.
of plants too.
Corn,
Corn, rice, and peanuts are all the seeds of plants.
A world of plants. I am Scott, and this is my garden.
I am Scott,
I grow
and this
many
is my
plants
garden.
here.
I grow many plants here.
There are
There are
many
many
plants.
different kinds of plants.
Plants can be big or
Plants
small.
can be big or small.
Grass, vegetables, and trees
Grass,
are all
vegetables,
plants.
and trees are all plants.
Plants have different parts.
Plants have different parts.
Most plants have roots, stems, and leaves.
Most plants have roots, stems, and
Many
leaves.
plants have flowers.
Many plants
too.
have flowers too.
The flowers make fruits.
The flowers make fruit.
The fruits hold seeds.
The fruits hold seeds.
We can eat many
We can
plant
eat many
parts.
plant parts.
We eat roots.
We
Radishes,
eat roots,
onions, and
radishes,
carrots are the
onions,
roots of plants.
radishes. We eat
We
roots,
eat
radishes,
stems.
onions, and
Celery
carrots
is the
are.
stem of a plant.
We eat roots. We eat
leaves,
roots,
such as
radishes,
lettuce
onions,
and
and
cabbage.
carrots are the roots of plants.
We eat flowers such as
We
broccoli
eat
and
stems.
cauliflower.
Celery is the stem of a plant. We eat
eat
leaves
the fruits
such
of
as
many
lettuce and
plants, too.
cabbage. We eat flowers such as broccoli and cauliflower. We eat the
Apples,
fruits
pears,
of many
and
plants too.
strawberries
Apples,
are fruits
pears,
we eat.
and strawberries are fruits we eat.
Sometimes we eat the seeds of plants too.
Sometimes we eat the seeds of plants too.
Corn,
Corn, rice, and
and
peanuts are all the seeds of plants.
Unit 6. A world of animals.
reading focus.
What are some kinds of
What are
animals?
some kinds of animals?
Where do these
Where do these animals live?
What do animals need
What
to
do
live?
animals need to live?
Before you read, keywords.
Land animals.
Squirrel,
Land animals, squirrel, deer, giraffe, snake,
lizard,
lizard,
polar bear,
polar bear, penguin.
Water animals.
Water animals, goldfish, shark,
whale, dolphin,
dolphin.
Places to live.
Places to live,
forest,
forest,
grassland,
grassland,
desert,
desert,
the
the North Pole,
the South
the
Pole,
South Pole,
ocean.
ocean.
Power verbs.
Need.
Animals need food and
Animals need food and water.
Land animals breathe
Land
air.
animals breathe air.
Word families.
Lungs.
Lungs.
Lungs help animals
Lungs help
breathe.
animals breathe.
Gills.
Gills.
Gills help
Gills
fish
help
breathe.
fish breathe. Tiny.
Ants are tiny.
Ants are tiny.
Huge.
Huge.
Elephants
Elephants are huge.
Favorite.
Favorite.
My
My favorite animals are dogs. Like.
I like dogs.
I like dogs.
A world of animals. What's
What's your favorite animal?